almost back to normal. Look at this tie-up. We're now going underneath the Northeast 50th Street Bridge. On the bridge over the Ship Canal, actually the Porter's Bay portion of Lake Union. Even though the freeway's on land here, it is 200 feet above the waterway there, just about a quarter mile ahead of where we are. And as you can see, the State Patrol has pulled someone over for doing something not quite kosher, I suppose. Or the car's in trouble. Oh, you got a little smash up. Maybe it was a smash up. Who knows? I see lights flashing up ahead, which might also explain why we are creeping along. It's Dodge Challenger trying to get in the next lane over. Now we're back behind the mobile parking lot. And that's the Northeast 45th Street Bridge we're coming in underneath. And there's an on-ramp that's coming down from Northeast 45th Street on the right. Up ahead, there will be off-ramps and on-ramps to the 520 freeway. Well, not freeway, it's a turnpike nowadays. They've made a toll bridge out of it over Lake Washington. Although it is a freeway until the Montlake Avenue exit to the Montlake part of the U District. So you can go down over to the football stadium. I think they call it Alaska Airlines Field nowadays, or something like that. Lots of bumps and lumps and chumps in this road. That's a little shock absorber exerciser here. Signboard way off in the distance is telling us something, but I'm not close enough to read it. But we'll get there. We're still on land, but right about here it falls away. We leave the land and come onto the bridge. Massive bridge. It looks pretty impressive from underneath. There's traffic merging in from an on-ramp to the right. And the speed limit sign reads 60 and it's laughing at us. We can't even do 60 kilometers, let alone 60 miles per hour right now. Oh, another chunk out in the middle of the road. Bridge deck. Unlike the West Seattle Bridge, this bridge was well designed, well built. Even if it's in its present condition, it's a bit banged up. And to our left is a tractor with an old trailer. He's probably going home, or he's going to where he can pick up a load so he can earn his pay. Instant just ahead. Use caution. That's what that sign says. Bright yellow letters. I don't know how clear it shows up in the GoPro video, but that's what it says. It's right next to the sign that says Bellevue Kirkland, half mile. We're that far from the 520 interchange? That's what it says. Half mile. Instant just ahead. Use caution. Ooh, looks like they're vacating the outside lane because that's where the incident is. I expect that little Mini Cooper to come on over. There it goes. And there is a cars. This VW wants to buzz in front of me because he's rude like that. Instant response team, SP patrol, and they're hauling off the vehicle that was involved in the incident. Now we can proceed with a bit more speed. Exit the Boylston, exit the Bellevue Kirkland, going down in this kind of a walled off section. We're back on land. Watch out for that damn pickup truck cutting in front of me. We're now almost at the 60 miles an hour. I think I'm going to let off the accelerator because you want to match speeds the traffic ahead. Downtown exit. This outer lane disappears onto the Mercer Street exit, and we'll be riding the lane that Dawit Kelete was riding real quick. Here we're coming around. Here's another on-ramp. There are on-ramps everywhere. Go around this curve. We got beautiful Lake Union to our right. There's the Mercer Street, Seattle Center exit. Stewart Street and Denny Way are only half a mile ahead. On line of sight. There's the Stewart Street Denny Way exit. The story is that Kelete came up this exit here to get onto the freeway, and he spun around to go down this lane. Now look, there's a curve up ahead. This is the curve he came around. Coming around at a little faster than speed. I'm going down about 40 miles an hour. You notice the traffic is slowing down. See the curve? It's only when he comes around this curve right here that he can see the white van and the other vehicles parked across these travel lanes. Notice how it's a curve. And there's the on-ramp right here. Right here was where the white van was. Right about here. He had to go onto this shoulder over there to go around it. People were standing on that ramp. They were standing on that traffic lane. They were standing in this. And right about here, where that van with the paw on it is, was where the two persons were standing that Kelete hit. Summer Taylor and this person named Love. So there you have it, folks. You just got a dashboard view of the place where this incident happened. It gives you an idea of just how butt ugly stupid the Washington State Patrol was to allow these demonstrations, and how butt ugly stupid the demonstrators were to be standing on a freeway, blocking it off with their vehicles and having their midnight dance party.